I'm face to face. Okay.
It's so awesome. And then it's so creepy when they all just stand there and look at you.
Okay, come on. Whoa! Whoa!
Oh! Did you see that? He bounced off him and he got it.
Wow.
Oh, you're gonna do that. Yeah.